how to get started with online coaching business. Now, you must be aware of what a coaching business is, right? Now, if you don't know, I'll just explain in a very simple way. You have some expertise, or you must have solved some problems in your life. You have some experience and you have some knowledge, right? Now, you think that people must have those kind of problems, right? Similar problems. And through your expertise, through your knowledge, you might be able to solve similar problems. So, what you do? You coach them, you guide them, you mentor them. Now, this process is called as coaching. And when you build a business around it, that business is called coaching business, right? Business is all about selling, marketing, generating revenue, solving problems. Whether you kind or not, that completely depends on you, but I definitely say that be kind to people, be kind to others, right? Now, how do we get started with this? The first and the most important thing is getting clarity around your niche. Now, what is niche? Niche is your core expertise around which you are going to coach. For example, the high level niche will be career coaching, business coaching, life coach, mindset coach. These are high level niches. There are a number of niches, health coach and XYZ. Now, what you have to do is you have to get clarity whether you want to become a life coach, you want to become a career coach, you want to become a business coach. But being in this zone will bring a lot of competition, right? You will get into too much of competition. So you should narrow down your niche. And that's what we call as micro niche, where you are not just a life coach. You narrow down life coach to a mindset coach. Now, from mindset, you can go and narrow that down further into something around, maybe you are just manifestation coach or affirmation coach, or you work only with couples, you work only with single women, right? So you are further narrowing these down, and then you can create your own unique selling proposition, what we call as USP. In this way, you can lower down your competition and you can be the go-to leader in that niche. So this is all about getting the clarity around your niche, and I help people on getting this clarity in my coaching programs. Now, second thing about starting a coaching business is validating your niche. Now, you have a niche, and you have further broken it down to micro niche. Now, you have to do a good research in the market. You have to look at other market players. You have to understand what they are offering, whether that's still sellable, whether people are still buying that product or not, right? So that's called as market research, and you should do that validation. I'll tell you in my next video how to do that validation. The simple way I'll tell you upfront here is you create offer and then you sell to some of your friends, colleagues, maybe neighbors, and see if they are ready to buy that product, which is the third point, your offer. So you have niche, you have clarity around your niche, you have done market research around your micro niche. Now you create the product and the offer. So create an offer as if anyone is willing to buy that offer. So it should be irresistible offer. It should be a grand slam offer that anyone is willing to buy, and even you are sold on that offer. So that is the third point, offer. And once you have the offer, what you have to do in the business, go sell and market it. Now, how do you do selling and marketing? So see, initially I would suggest for selling, you do organic sales rather than going for ads, which is the inorganic way of selling your product. So, because through your organic marketing, organic selling, what you can do is you can get a market validation whether people are ready to buy your product or not. And that way, you know what offer is cracking the deal, and use that offer, leverage that offer to create your ads. And once you run your ad, yeah, there are different ways of running ad. There's performance marketing and a number of things that digital marketers do. And I would definitely suggest you to not go for hiring any team, anyone. Do everything on your own, learn things, because tomorrow when you hire, people don't make fool out of you, right? You don't want that to happen. So first learn each and everything. If you have the skills, great. If you don't have, learn it first and then implement. And that's where I'd like to offer you 3 days AI challenge, which we also call as WhatsApp challenge, where I teach you and coach you how to start your coaching business in just 3 days, where we'll work on your niche clarity, which is profitable, will help you in creating sales funnel, and we'll also work on doing content marketing and lot many things with lot of bonuses. So are you ready for this? If you are, then go ahead, register on the link given in the comments. So this is all about how to get started with online coaching business. All the best.